My name is Teresa Easler, and I work in the area of communication. And specifically, I work with individuals so that they can really present themselves in their most powerful, best way, really having their unique ability come out. And the truth is when I work with companies, we do the same thing. The unique ability, the secret sauce of those companies gets expressed in a way that people feel really invigorated by. When I became an entrepreneur over 30 years ago, it started out a little bit as a sideline business, that I was making a little money on the side and realized that I actually liked that work so much more than the corporate environment that I was in. And I just wasn't cut out for the corporate world, but boy, I really felt excited about the stuff that I was doing on the side, and then expanded it and have never looked back. In the 30 years of being an entrepreneur, one of the biggest setbacks that I had was that my business partner at one point was my husband, who is now my ex-husband. So going through not only a personal divorce, but a divorce from the business was really hard. And the great thing was, I'm so grateful because I was part of Strategic Coach during that whole transition. I don't know how I would have navigated it without being in the program. And the big thing was that I kept my focus on what am I designing the next stage of my life to be? What does my business look like? What does my personal life look like? And all of that, that was my focus. One thing about being an entrepreneur is it's not all sweets and roses. There are tough times. We all experience them. And I think that one of the great gifts that I've had in being part of Strategic Coach, and one of the most important things that I've learned, is that sticking to the most important basic things. Continuing to do what you love to do. Design it the way you want it, to make sure you're focused on the right things and not getting pulled into all of the other stuff. If you just keep doing that step by step by step, you work your way through it.